What's going on? We're back with another video today with Fishing with Jason. We're gonna go creek fishing today, going for some micros. I got our bait right here, a hot dog, and then we got the setup right down here. We just got a little baby pinch weight, and then just a small J hook as well. So we're gonna be trying that out. We're just gonna go into the backyard creek today back there, and let's see what we can get. So let's do it. All right, so now we're making our way back into the creek, just following our little path that we kind of have made from a couple of times we've been out here. So just walking through. Hopefully we can get on a good amount of them. They're normally pretty active, especially when it's warm. So yeah, let's do it. All right, so we're now getting towards the creek, so about to get all rigged up and let's get some damn fish. Let's do it. All right, so we're at spot number 1 right now. Got just it's a little cove over here where it gets deep and everything. So we're gonna try this out first, and if we don't get anything else, not too much out of here, we're just gonna move our way down the creek, down over there to the bend on the other side, and then we'll also try there as well. It's a little bit dry right now, but there should be some fish in here, so let's get into it. Alright, so right now, just got a little tiny piece of hot dog. Got our hook, and this is just going to be our bait, so it's just going to be right through it. And let's get the first cast in. Let's get on the other side of this log over here. Oh, getting messed with. Got one. There we go. First one on the board. A nice, pretty little green sunfish. So we'll take that. Let's get him unhooked. Beautiful colors. Alright, let's get him back in. I'm going to release him down over here so he doesn't scare the other ones away. But we still got our bait, so let's go into drop number 2. Oh god. Alright, let's see this. So literally just take it right across right now. Oh, that did not work out. Oh, I don't think it's gonna matter. They're already playing with it. Got one. This one, oh, we got a creek chub. Got a nice little creek chub here. Little creek chub. Let's get him back in the water. Microfishing's always fun. Get those little guys. Can watch them eat it too. Let's see. Next cast. Let's go all the way over. They're looking at it. Come on, eat it. It's got it in its mouth. Oh, got the bait. All right. Come on. Got him. Oh, he came off. Homie came off. Got one. Oh, come on. Oh, here we go. Oh, big one. Big baby mama. Get the hook out of him. Oh yeah. Look at that thing. That's a chunky boy. Good sized fish. We'll get him back in. Yeah. we're gonna get him back in. Don't want to keep him out of the water too long. Oh, there's ants on my hot dog. Alrighty. Let's get it in. All the way across. Just gonna give it a little couple of pops. Get them active. There they go. They're on it. Another pop. This piece might be a little big, so we'll see if they'll be able to eat it. Oh. Got him. Oh, another creek chub. Another creek chub. Going back in. Nah. Alright. We're going to move over to the other spot. Alright, so we're going to make a move now to the other bend and see what we can get over there. Oh, let's just go through here. Oh, we got some action over here. It's a little bit mucky over here, but we're gonna see what we can get onto. Little suspect. No bites are off the rip. Normally, that's not normally the case. See if there's anything in here that wants to bite. Oh, yep. Got a bite. Yep. Got one. Ooh. Another sunfish. Another pretty one. Got all that green on them. That's nice. Alright, let's get him back in the water and get back out there. Oh, there, he got it. There's another one. Oh, this is a chunky creek chub. And they're slimy as hell. Another one. Let's get him back in. Because I know there are some good sized ones in here. Some decent. But we gotta find them. They're always harder to get, of course. Yep, they got it already. Just gotta wait for the pug. Got him. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh yeah. Yeah, there we are. There's a nicer one. That thing. This one's actually a decent sized one. Look at the tail on it. Orange tail. Alright, let's get him back too. Alrighty. Oh, beautiful. Oh, got one. Oh, that's a baby. A little one. That's why the little ones are always the ones that take it and like really take it. And they're also the ones that are hardest to get on hook normally because they like to move around a lot. Oh, he's back in. The thing about these creeks as well though is when you catch some of them, they'll typically stop biting as well because they see everything going on. Oh, my bait's gone too. They're eating good, probably getting ready for spawn too. These guys go crazy during spawn. Oh, another creek. Barely hooked him. Barely hooked. Another creek chub. Going back in. I like catching the bluegills a lot. Like, creek chubs are fun. Normally they're harder to catch in here too. But I like catching the big old big mamacitas of bluegills. Just trying to go under the tree here and see if I can get anything. Yep. Oh, a fucking huge creek chub. Okay, bro, calm down. Damn. Stop it. That's probably the biggest creek chub of the day. We had that nice size one at the other spot, but this one's pretty dang big too. Get it back in. I'm gonna go back under that tree again and try. I swear, my line keeps getting all tangled up with the weight. Just let it sink down. Yep. Oh, there we go. There we freaking go, y'all. Kager, Sonny. Oh yeah. That's a Kager, Sonny. That's what we've been after. These big old chunkers. Look at the mouths on those things. Huge mouths on these things. That's why I love going after the big old sunnies, because they're really cool when you catch them out of this little creek. Alright, let's get them back in the water. Say goodbye, buddy. Get him back down there. Hopefully we can get another one or two of those big ones. Those ones are like really hard to get in here. So all the big ones are under the trees. Oh, we got some deer and some squirrel in the background. We'll give that spot a break and go back to our little turn over here. Try to get it right under that tree. Oh, instead, let's forget that and catch the tree. Alright, let's go. Back under that tree. Are you kidding me? We're all good. Just gonna hit him with the... Yeah, there we go. Come on. Oh, yep. Oh, I lost him. Wasn't prepared. There we go. Yep. Little. Oh, this one looks just like, kind of like, I think this one might just be regular bluegill. Bam. Let's get him back in. I'll do a couple more casts and then start heading back. Okay, let's see. We'll give this spot one more cast and then under the tree one more as well. Yep, we're getting hit. My bait definitely just got stolen. Yep. Bait got yoinked. Oh, no, never mind. It's still there. Alright, let's give under the tree one last cast, and then we'll start heading out. Yep. Come on, take it. Another nice sized creek chub from under the tree. Big old baby mama right there. Big old boy. Alrighty, let's get him back in. I still got my bait, so might as well. You already know the saying. Last cast doesn't mean last cast. If you catch one, you got to stay a little bit longer. I guess back here it doesn't really count, though, because it's like every second you're getting a fish. Yep. Oh. Did I lose it? Yep. Lost my bait. Alrighty. My hot dog. Let's go get a thumbnail.